Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening tasks and setting essentials, categories, default reminders, and keyboard shortcuts so entry is fast. Create your first task now. Give it a clear title, due date, and priority. Once done, add a concise description and a category to make searching simple. Make sure to set a reminder time that actually fits your workflow. This small upfront structure saves minutes later and ensures your task list remains actionable and not just a dumping ground. Next, refine each task into practical steps. Split big tasks into subtasks or link tasks so you can track progress. Use flags and priority levels to triage what you'll do today versus this week. Categories let you view by context. Once subtasks exist, add start dates and time estimates so your schedule reflects reality. This prevents overbooking. Also, make sure to reorder tasks by urgency so the top of the list shows what to tackle first. Then act on one item right away. Finish by building a quick review habit. Each morning scan tasks, adjust dates, and mark completed items so momentum is visible. Once you complete items, archive or delete stale tasks to keep the list focused. If something goes wrong, like missing tasks or duplicates, check your sync settings and confirm tasks are in the correct folder or account. Log out and back in or force a sync to refresh state. Finally, make sure rules don't auto-move tasks. That often causes confusion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.